To turn on closed captions on YouTube TV, start by opening the YouTube TV app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. This can be found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Accessibility section. This is where you will find the option to turn on closed captions. Click on Accessibility, then select Closed Captions. Here you will see a toggle switch that allows you to turn closed captions on or off. Click the toggle switch to turn closed captions on. You will also see a range of other options that allow you to customize the appearance of the closed captions, such as the language, font size, and color. To customize the appearance of the closed captions, click on the option that you want to change. For example, if you want to change the language of the closed captions, click on the language option and select the language that you prefer. You can also turn on closed captions directly from the video player. To do this, start playing a video, then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the video player. From the drop-down menu, select Closed Captions, then select the language that you prefer. It is worth noting that not all videos on YouTube TV have closed captions available. However, many popular TV shows and movies do have closed captions, and YouTube TV is continually adding closed captions to more content. By following these steps, you can easily turn on closed captions on YouTube TV and customize their appearance to suit your needs. Closed captions can be a useful tool for improving your viewing experience, especially if you are deaf or hard of hearing, or if you are watching videos in a noisy environment. It is also a good idea to check that your device is compatible with closed captions on YouTube TV. Most modern devices, including smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs, support closed captions on YouTube TV. However, if you are using an older device, you may need to check that it is compatible before you can use closed captions. Overall, turning on closed captions on YouTube TV is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By customizing the appearance of the closed captions and using them in conjunction with other accessibility features, you can create a more enjoyable and inclusive viewing experience.